So today, we will learn about the AJAX security limitation. AJAX is powerful because it allows web pages to communicate with the server without reloading. But web browsers enforce strict security rules through the same origin policy. This policy ensures that a web page can only make AJAX requests to the same server where it originated. So, what does this mean for developers? You can send AJAX requests to the same domain and subfolders. You cannot fetch data from another domain, even if it's a subdomain. Switching protocols from HTTP to HTTPS or vice versa is restricted. Changing port number like from port 80 to 8080 won't work. For example, if your website is hosted at www.myserver.com, you can make AJAX call to www.myserver.com/data.psp, but not to api.othersite.com or even subdomain.myserver.com. Fortunately, there are several techniques to bypass these limitations safely. One way to handle cross-origin requests is to use a web proxy. Web servers are not restricted by same origin policy, so they can fetch data from other domain and then send it to your AJAX request. For example, you can create a PHP or Node.js script on your server that fetches data from another API. Your AJAX request will communicate with this script, which acts as a middleman between your browser and the external server. JSONP or JSON with padding is another method that allows cross-domain requests. Unlike traditional AJAX, JSONP takes advantage of the fact that browser allows you to load JavaScript from external domains. Instead of making an AJAX call, you insert a script tag that loads data from another site, and the response includes a function call with the requested data. However, JSONP only works with the GET request and is considered outdated in modern development. The best modern solution is CORS or cross-origin resource sharing. CORS allows a web server to specify which domains can access its resources using AJAX. This requires modifying the server's response headers. For example, if an external API wants to allow your website to make requests, it needs to include this header in its response. If authentication is required, the server can specify allowed credentials and methods. Another thing to remember, AJAX doesn't work if you open an HTML file directly from your computer. Your browser will block the request due to security restriction. Instead, run your project on a local server using tools like XAMPP for Windows and Mac or MAMP for Mac. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll learn about the AJAX callback. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.